Yeah, you know what it do, you dig? It's Young P. Feel it. 5-0. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, nigga working. Try to get on block, cause you know, man, I'm twerking. I'm all about that money, all about that dinero. Tell you what, I'm gonna hit you with so Roberto. These niggas want to get it. Bitch, yeah, I'm trill. Yeah, bitch, I'm real. Yeah, bitch, I'm the deal. You know my fucking name, man. You know my little style. Got your bitch on my block, and you know she running wild. See, I tell you like no other. Bitch, yeah, I'm with it. Bitch, yeah, I'm bout it. 4-5 gon' drop her. Tell you what I'm on, cause you know what it is. And you know what I'm on, because I'm gon' eye pop her. Tell you like no other, see, I'm all about this guapa. And I'm all about this paper, so you better fucking stop up. I'm hitting the top flow, I'm on to my dough. I tell you what I'm on, bitch, you gon' see smoke. Niggas won't know, yeah, I'm so fly. Catch me up in the sky, yeah, I'm living right. You know what it is, I like to do it real twice. But these niggas wanna do it, but you know ain't real nice. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, yeah, bitch, I'm on it. So I bend your ass over again and get to working. You know I got this bad bitch right beside me. Do you know what I'm on? Because you know I'm fucking clowning. I'm not talking about the circus, but I murk this, and you know what I'm on. Because you know I'm just the coldest. I'm coming from the Chi-Town, my town. Best believe you know a nigga straight working. I don't claim no game, I don't rap no color, but I'll still run up on you straight, blow your brains. All about this paper, like I told you, all about this wake up. And then I get it, I cut it up, I break it down, I throw it in the zipper. You know the customers come around, they buy it off me quickly. I tell you what it is, because it's money coming tripping. I tell you what I'm on, cause these niggas steady ducking. Tell you I'ma pop up on my iPhone. Got a couple bitches that I'm bone. Fabulous, you a fool for that shit, so you know I had to throw it up on this freestyle, bitch. Not you, talking about these bitches. You know that I'm like, I chill with these bitches. They all blessed, and you know I have to contest. Coming through with a red vest. Ha! It's 4 o'clock in the morning. You know a nigga holding. Yeah, bitch. Chi-Town, my town. Fuck it. Roll up.